Magnificent, isn't it?
Yeah, man, it looks amazing. It's really awesome. Hi there, my name is Flavio and welcome back to Dream Mullet. Today I'm going to show you the entire process of creating Tusk of Ganesh as seen in Uncharted Lost Legacy. Since I've been busy doing the journals and other Uncharted props, I decided to try something different this time and ask someone to model this item for me. So in this video I don't have the modeling process, but I'm still going to show you the printing process and the painting process. So let's get to it. To make the printing process easier, the model was divided into different parts. Here are all the parts printed and ready to be painted. Before applying the final color, I apply a layer of primer filler, a thin coat though, because I didn't want it to apply too much and cover up the flower's engravings. After the primer coat was applied, I use a clear blue to paint the crystal part of the model. Like the item we see in the game, I chose to use a very gloss and bright tone of gold to paint pretty much the rest of the parts. When the gold coat was dried, I covered up all the parts with a masking tape, except the flower engravings. To paint these parts, I opted for a glossy silver and I was very satisfied with the outcome of this paint. With all the parts painted, it was time to assemble all of the pieces. Luckily, I found out in my local store a very nice and round red glass that fits perfectly on the top part of the model. To achieve the final gloss look on this piece, I applied a coat of glossy varnish, which also helps to protect the colors beneath it. Together with this red glass, I also found a material that resembles the little crystals on the lower part of the tusk. These tiny crystals already came with some kind of glue, but to make sure the crystals didn't fall off, I applied a bit of super glue just to double check. And that was the whole process of making the Tusk of Ganesh.